Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to get unlimited storage on any Android phone for free. So right now I'm gonna show you the best method to get unlimited storage on your Android phone completely free. So we have to use Google Drive. So go ahead and open your Play Store and first of all search for Drive and install Google Drive app on your Android phone. Once the Google Drive app installed, go ahead and open Google Drive app on your Android phone. And now you have to sign in with your Google account. So by default, Google Drive provide 15 gigabyte storage for every user. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Google Drive account and tapping on this hamburger menu. And under storage, as you can see, 15 gigabyte storage provided Google Drive. So all you have to need, create a Google account and sign into your Google Drive using the Google account and get 15 GB storage on your Google Drive. Then you can upload files by tapping on this plus icon. After that, once your 15 GB storage full, then you have to create another Google account. So all you have to need, tap on your profile photo and tap on add Google account, and now here scroll down, tap on your current Google account, and here you have to tap on add another account, and now tap on create account and for myself, and all you have to need, fill up these options to easily create a brand new Google account for free. Once you've successfully created a new Google account, now you have to sign into your Google Drive using the new Google account, and then you will get another 15 GB storage in your Google Drive. And that's how you will be able to add multiple thousands and millions of Google account in your Google Drive, and you will get 15 GB for each account. So this is how we can get unlimited storage on Android for free. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.